Right, so guys, before I give you the classwork or today's activity, I want us to go back and recap this. So we have looked at, we've compared numbers. We said when you compare numbers, we use symbols. Which symbols do we use? This one and this one, the smaller than symbol, the greater than symbol, and also the equal to symbol. What does this symbol mean? We said this symbol simply means that the first one, the smaller, it means that the number is smaller than the other one, or the number is smaller compared to the other one. And you also look at the bigger than, which simply mean the number is bigger than the other one. And we looked at is equal to, which means that the number equals to the certain number. Example, let's start by, we said that bigger 1 is bigger than 0. Or other one could say 1 is smaller than 2. Or other one could say 2 equals to 2. Right? And then we looked at all of that, comparing different numbers. You even gave me different numbers. Now, what I want to emphasize is that when we represent numbers, or different numbers, we use symbols, and you also compare them and place values or part thereof, or you could simply expand the numbers or the values that you have. We call that expanded notation. Now, another thing that I would like to emphasize is that when you read numbers or the symbols, do not make mistake of misreading it. Do not make a mistake of misreading numbers. How do you misread numbers? Let me assume we have 53,231. 53,231. How are you going to misread that number? When you misread that number, other people say it's 53251. Is that correct? Is that correct? So you're simply gonna read it like 52,321. There is no such things as 52523. No, it doesn't work like that. You should simply pronounce the number as it is pronounced. Now, the reading of a number symbol by reading the digits should be discouraged. As I'm discouraging you right now, that do not make a mistake of reading numbers incorrectly. Now, before we move forward to today's homework, does anyone have a question? Does anyone have any question regarding the lesson? Any question? Okay, so my friend right there is asking what if we have 500 and I want to place it as on our table? How do we do that? Who can assist our friend? Yes, so you go back to your table. You look for 100. You look for 100. So You take your 5, you place it where? On 100. What about other numbers? Who can tell me? Where do we place it? Yes, your 0 will be placed on the tens. What about other 0? Yes, the last 0 will be the unit. I'm sure you answered. Who has another question? Who have another question? Okay, my friend there is asking is it compulsory or necessary to start on the left hand side? No, you can even start on the right hand side. If you feel like you want to start with the smaller number into the bigger number, you can actually do that. If you would like to start with the bigger number with the smaller number, you can even do that. It's not compulsory. As long as your numbers are placed correctly, it is not compulsory. Yes, who has another question? Okay, let me be the one who asks questions right now. So what if I have 633,111? Let me write it down. 633,111. Will you be able to place those digits correctly? Right. Let's see. Where does the first 6 belong? Does it belong to units, or it belongs to the thousands, or the 100,000, or the 100, or the tens? Where does 6 belong? Excellent. It belongs where? On the 100,000. Where does 3 belong? Yes, it belongs where? On the thousands. Who can tell me where does the last one from your right hand belong? The first one? Yes, it belongs where? On the unit. Now, who can tell me the 3 from your left, from 6? The second number from 6, where does it belong? Excellent, on the 10,000. And who can tell me the middle one, from between 3 and 1? Yes, it's 100. Now that is excellent. Now I would like us to engage in our classroom activity, and when you're done, or should we have any questions regarding this matter, you can come to me so that we can explain it further and clearly to you. Now please write the assignment, the classroom activity that I have gave you, and when you're done, I have homework for you. You can do it here in the classroom so that you will save your time. Thank you.